Welcome to Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about prostate health diet. What is the prostate? The prostate is a gland in the male reproductive system that is about the size of a chestnut. It surrounds the part of the urethra, the tube that empties the bladder, just below the bladder and above the muscles of the pelvic floor. The best natural remedies for prostate health? Research shows that high consumption of cooked tomatoes, thanks to tomato nutrition providing lycopene and other antioxidants, may play a modest role in the prevention of prostate cancer. Wild-caught fish. Omega-3 foods and wild-caught fish reduce inflammation of the prostate. A systematic review in integrative cancer therapies indicates that researchers have found an association between higher intake of fish and decreased risk of prostate cancer-related death. Green tea. Green tea is the number one beverage for anti-aging because it contains the highest level of antioxidants. It helps promote detoxification and prostate health. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seed oil aid prostate health thanks to their high content of carotenoids and liposoluble vitamins. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc, which acts as a diuretic to help empty the bladder, and they reduce inflammation.
For more information about the Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement, please visit www.flavorsforlife.org.